Let's talk about how to dress up for a round body type, which is also known as the apple body type. So the key here is to elongate the torso and give a definition around your waist. Go for anarkali dresses. Anarkali dresses define your waist and flow downwards. You can also go for a sari with a slim border. Try to wear the sari in light fabrics like georgette or chiffon, and you can also try them wearing in Gujarati or Bengali style. Go for A-line kurtas with legging or narrow trousers to balance the look. Don't go for anything that is loose or baggy, as it may make you look larger. Go for high-low hemline lehenga. The hemline asymmetrical pattern can draw attention to your legs and give you a slimming effect. Go for empire waist dresses. They have a high waistline, so they will camouflage any of your tummy area and give you an elongated look. Saris with vertical lines, minimal embellishments and light-weighted fabric can elongate the torso and give you a slimming effect. Now let's talk about what to wear in western dresses for an apple-shaped body. You can go for wrap dresses that have V neckline to elongate the torsos. Wrap dresses have been flattering for all body types, and for apple it works around by camouflaging the tummy area. Go for tailored braces, high-waisted pants to add the height, and also wear heels along with them. To create a slimming look around your hips and thighs, go for fit and flared dresses. Go for tunics and leggings. Tunics should have vertical strips, buttons, something that elongates the look. Also, you can go for V neckline. For the slimming effect, go for bootcut or slim flared jeans and pair them with heels and wedges. Now let's talk about how to dress up if you have a rectangular body type. Well, for rectangular body type, the idea is to add lot of curves. Add the dimension which is required and add the frame which is needed. You should go for layered assembles with belted options and not anything that doesn't give your body the shape it requires. Go for saris with a belt. You can go for modern designs of saris and have a belt across it to define your waistline very nicely. Also, you can go for anarkali suits and have flared bottoms to add curves to the body which is required. A lehenga choli can definitely create an illusion of curves. Go for well-fitted kurti and a lehenga with a lot of flair. Peplum kurti with leggings will add volume to your waist area and will give you more defined look. Go for high-waisted palazzo pants to draw attention to the lower part of your body. You can also try wearing the asymmetrical kurtas to break the symmetry of your body. What to wear in the western wear for a rectangular body type? You can go for fit flared dresses, or you can go for wrap dresses to create an illusion of hourglass body type, because they flow outwards. Wearing skinny jeans will help you elongate your necks, and styling them with tops that add layers to your upper body, like peplum top to add volume to your waist, and you can try skinny jeans to elongate your legs. Try wearing high-waisted skirts with A-line skirts and crop tops to create the illusion of curves. Stay tuned to C Bazaar for more such upcoming parts. Follow C Bazaar for more such content.